You don't have to put as much information into a poster when the audience is educated, right? You can have Harry running and there's like some little tagline at the end or whatever, it's like the final film, and then the title of the movie, maybe not even the title of the film, versus the first couple of films, there's like lots of pictures, lots of interesting characters doing interesting things, and you have to spend a lot of time in the first few films educating people, like, what is this going to be about, right? This absolutely relates to you as a designer. Very often, I see designers will just like put one thing out there into the universe, and they expect people to understand what it is, but they haven't spent enough time educating their customer. The customer doesn't know who they are. They don't understand the way their artwork works. They don't understand what they're doing, right? Because you haven't spent enough time building up to it, right? Great sales, and very often I talk about sales here, you guys, great sales is nothing more than great education.